Welcome in a CloudTalk tutorial. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily use CloudTalk. So let's start. First thing you want to do is just click here try for free. If you don't have account guys, there is a link down below in the description, and thanks to that link you can easily create an account on CloudTalk. I'm going to simply log into dashboard here, and here when you're gonna enter your email, etc., you would end up here. The number is now yours. This is my number. And now I'm going to press continue, explore CloudTalk. Okay, continue test calls. And you see how it works. Now you won't be able to, maybe you hear the music or no. I'm going to change something so we'll be able to hear it. And this is how it's going to play. Pick up.
Hi, this is CloudTalk bot. Congratulations, you have managed to pick up the first call. To see past interactions with a customer in a CRM or help desk, you can use the icons around the picture.
See? So I see tags here.
Identify call outcome, purpose of the call or events that happened during the call. Label your inbound and outbound calls with tags. Try to tag your first call.
Issue resolved. Save. And then you see I can simply integrate it and stop it. And then continue. Download CloudTalk 4. What you can do is just simply download it. And now let's install it together. That'll help us to better understand your business, number of users 1 to 2, company name, and CRM. Let's say I'm going to be with Pipedrive. New. And then finish and go to dashboard. Next thing that we are going to do, I'm going to show you how we can easily install the program. So I'm going to click run here. And this is the free trial that I have. And as you can see, so I'm going to log in to my application that I installed. I'm adding right now the email. And I'm going to add a password. Login. And see welcome. Welcome to CloudTalk phone. English. Language. Continue. Connect your headset and put it on. Next. Test your speakers and microphone. And then what you can do is start a test call. You need to allow access. And now, can you hear yourself well? Tips to optimize a call, a professional headset, a Ethernet cable that I have, and everything is well done for me. Now, this is something that you have to do it by yourself. So this is why I'm skipping it kind of fast, but I hope you're getting what you have to do. And then launch CloudTalk phone, and voila. So here we have our own phone and everything through, and I can easily call to anyone I want. But let's look on our website first, where you can find everything and what you can actually do. Now on the left top menu, you would see the menu that you can close down and open it. Then you would have a credit here that you can easily add a card and add more credits. Then if you're online, or you can set yourself away, and then you have your own profile. Now when I'm going to dashboard, in dashboard you would find all the important analytics. So from statistics here, total calls, missed calls, average call duration, average waiting time. Then on the dashboard, we're going to see statistics. We're going to see the call history here. Again, inbound, outbound calls, all the important data you would find right here. Agents, etc. Then on agents, I can simply come here and you can add an agent. So I'm going to click add an agent, and let's add an agent here. Guys, later in the video, I'm going to show you how we can easily call someone and how we can work with contacts here. Yada yada. First name, Marcus, agent, email address, like this. And you're going to have the phone number here and your language. Okay, English, role if it's an agent or administrator or supervisor. and role settings. If you want him to show contacts, then you're going to see the visibility of calls and recordings here. And call routing and security, maximum number of calls. So you can really optimize the agent as much as you want. And that's pretty much it. So when you're gonna have like optimize your agent, you can simply scroll down below, and if you want him to automatically pick up inbound calls or automatically pick up dialed calls, and click add agent here. And voila, here we have the Marcus agent. Then what you can do is to simply create a group, and there's going to be like in your group, you're going to have assigned agents. So if you have like multiple departments, you can have groups here. Then under groups, you're going to see numbers. In numbers, you can simply click here and buy a number, and you would find numbers here. And activate account, and I need to like, you can purchase a numbers here. That's pretty much it. Then dialer, you're going to have the power one here. Campaigns, and what you can do, you can have also the call scripts here. So let's click on the campaigns, and I would click on the top right, add a campaign, and then name of the campaign. I'm gonna see the campaign status, select contact by tags, attempts by contact, hours between attempts, enter wait time. And if you can have like the call script, you can easily edit here. And if you can have survey, you're gonna have it right here. You can automatically dial next contact after call ends off or on. You can cause recording on off. You can turn it on. This is completely up to you how you optimize it with the dialer. And then you can simply add a campaign, and you can assign agents. Now, when you're gonna have the dialer here, what you can do is to simply click on a call script, and you can go to the right and add a call script. And here I would have a call script. So this would be something really important that I can do. And that's how we can do it. So here I would write a call script. And then I'm going to see the survey. And again, I can go to the right and add a survey. And this is the survey that I would have that I can use in the future. So here we would be writing and creating survey, in which I would click here on add the next question and add a question content. So that's something what you can do. Now further, we're going to see the contacts, and this is where like the fun begins. So here you're going to see the Nicholas Uhrin. I can simply add a contact. Let's say full name, Marcus contact. And I would add an email address here. What I can do, I can add a tags, title, company, industry, website, address, and everything. Then when I'm going to finish with adding the contact, I can add a contact. And voila, here we have it. Now when I would click here on my application, I can simply click on the contacts. Look at this. When I'm going to open application, I can see my contacts. And what I can do, I can add it to Smart Dialer. I would call, or I can simply call. And this is how I do it, right? You can also write SMS here, and you're going to see the call history. And this is how the whole application works. And this is how we can actually work with it. Then on the more, I can add a Smart Dialer or just settings here and edit the settings. Now then, you're going to see also the internal contacts that we would have. These are of the agents and groups. And then we're going to see the call monitor. Here, I would have filter by duration, by agent, by directions, by tags. And then the last thing are accounts. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, about Cloud Talk, how we can do it, how you can use it, what you can achieve with it. Ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you. Now here you would have the settings as a business hours. You can edit those. Callback, skill-based routing, international calls. You can really optimize it. This was like a quick walkthrough what you can actually get from CloudTalk and what are the basics, how you can use it and how you can call with people. Now, if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. This was a CloudTalk tutorial, how you can use CloudTalk for the beginners. And yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.